Guys, we are at the Ocean Park, Casa Maulan. Guys, yan ang cable car at marami pa tayong makikita views at the other side kapag nag-take tayo ng cable car. Ayan, dyan sa likod ng mountain. Okay, so ikot muna tayo dito, guys. So let's see if we can take the cable car. So let's walk and walk. Ayan, ang daming food. Meron silang tiramisu and cheesecake. And guys, try natin mamaya. Ayan. Grand Aquarium. Let's check later. Dito tayo sa may aquarium. Asian animals. So we will check yung amazing animals and whiskers, harbor, and ocean express cable car. Let's see, guys.